Smart aquaponic system. Our inspiration comes from what Bangabandhu thought about agriculture and the dream of digital Bangladesh. It is only through agricultural revolution that the country would become self-reliant in food. Quoted by Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. Digital Bangladesh and agriculture. If we look at the strategic priorities of Digital Bangladesh, on Section 2 revitalizing key service sectors and focusing on Subsection 3 productive agriculture, on the topic vision, all citizens of Bangladesh including disadvantaged groups like women, children, etc. have sustainable access to adequate food and nutrition, and farmers derive equitable financial benefit from connected market access. If we look at the topic outcome, research and extension linkage reaches the farmers, crop, fisheries and livestock, and production is adequate for meeting demand in basic foods from domestic sources. Farmers are able to access market for getting better price. On our team we have Adnan Shetu, BSc in Tripoli, Research and Development Engineer and PCB Designer. Muhammad Iftikhar Alam Umar, Undergraduate Student, BSc in Agriculture, Animator, Agricultural Specialist, and Business Analyst. Tanzir Ahmed, BSc in Tripoli, Chief Engineer and PCB Designer. Abu Jafar Muhammad Jubair, Undergraduate Student, BSc in Tripoli, R&D Engineer and Graphics Designer. Smart aquaponic system. Solution and addressing the problem. Problems raised in context of COVID-19 pandemic. Coronavirus pandemic is tearing apart world economy. The economic freefall is showing its adversaries through mass unemployment, breakage of supply chains, and loss of food security. We need a solution that creates employment, creates new supply chains, and which ensures sustainable food security. Unemployment crisis. A new assessment by the International Labour Organization said the economic and labor crisis created by the COVID-19 pandemic could increase global unemployment by almost 25 million. Low-paid workers in Bangladesh face mass unemployment amid in coronavirus crisis. Supply chain breakdown. Lockdown strategy led fall of supply chain breakdown globally, which caused price anomaly and scarcity of daily goods. Many companies have faced incurable damages. Food security loss. COVID-19 may cause breaks in food supply chains, food shortages, and food price spikes. It is impact of farmers leaving their fields fallow or facing delays in planting and harvesting because of sickness and breakdowns in food supply chains. Our solution is Smart Aquaponic System. We are controlling our system with IoT-enabled software, and the main features are mobile application, social networking, access from anywhere. We are analyzing data using AI-implemented method. Main features are automated control, predictive analysis. Equipment control. Heater, air pump, and water pump is controlled by predefined data. We are using pH sensor, camera, TDS sensor, temperature sensor, and turbidity sensor to best tune our system. And the main idea is to use fish wastes and turning them into fertilizers for the plants. Our products. We are offering two packages to best serve the consumer's needs. Our solution is modular and could support both aquaponic system consumers Small or mid-scale farms seeking automation. Smart aquaponics system complete package. The components included edible fish rearing system, indoor leafy vegetable growth system, monitoring sensors, IoT automation system, data logging server setup, monitoring and control app. Agricultural automation package. Components: IoT automation device, monitoring sensors, data logging platform setup, monitoring and control app. And it's suitable for small and medium-scale farms, community-based farms, rooftop agricultural initiatives. Services. We are ready to provide services on these major areas: technology adoption in agriculture, information support for agricultural startups, agricultural automation consultancy, providing support to our customers. Features of solution. Our solution is self-reliant. Filter automation requires minimal maintenance. Soilless, meaning no soil needed. Pesticide-free. In our system, no pesticides or chemical fertilizers are needed. Rapid growth. The production capacity is almost doubled from the conventional method. And to compare our system with traditional and aquaponics method, production capacity is increased 7 times higher. Water use is reduced by 95%. And to compare pesticides use and maintenance, in our system, plants receive fish waste as nutrients, and it needs care after long 15 days. Cost of farming. It's one of the most major issues. And with our system, it can be reduced up to 4 times. Address problems. Ensures food security, digitalizes agricultural activity, creates new employment, creates new supply chains, counters loss of arable land. Arable land statistics by World Bank. From 2006 to 2014, the agricultural land has been decreased by 1.2%. Almost 4 million farmers are landless, where 4.8 million farmers lease and cultivate land from other people. Our product induces indoor agricultural production, ensuring food security in urban areas. And to take a look at our MVP, most viable product, we can see that it looks wonderful under grow light. And we can produce multiple vegetables at the same time. It has got embedded fish rearing system. We can grow seed beds with our system. Smart aquaponics system, scalability and sustainability. Our product is modular, scalable and sustainable. Our solution can support food security for individual flats, entire buildings, small and middle scale farms. Modularity. Our solution is modular and the extent of modularity is scalable. Major sections of our modules: full aquaponics system, vegetable farm automation system, fish farm automation system. Enabling social business. Our system adopters could sell and share their excess production around their friends and neighbors. This will sustain food security. We will provide and promote our system adopters with an online commerce portal on which they can sell excess production, inducing sustainable business relations. The small and middle-scale agricultural farms who adopt agricultural automation service would enjoy a special advantage. We will connect the farms with consumer communities and potential markets. We care to help sustain food security. Sustainability of the product. Our products are engineered to last at least 5 years. We also support repairing our products. Spare items will be available from our website. We really care about sustainable food security. Sustainable financial outcome. Our system is automated, it can be monitored and controlled remotely. With our system implemented, production can be up to 7 times higher. With our automation service, production costs can be reduced up to 4 times lower. Our solution helps create sustainable financial outcome. Development process of Smart Aquaponics System. Completion report. We have completed some steps in minimum viable product development. We are proud to complete hardware design, software development, server implementation. We are planning to go to the piloting stage to continuously upgrade design to ensure amazing user experience. And on piloting and upgrade stage, we are ready to focus on research, on usability and on aesthetics. Timeline of Smart Aquaponics System. Timeline summary. The timeline for future steps is shown below. Piloting and surveys 4 months. Final design upgrade 1 week.